Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality -8 times x plus 5 is less than 21. We will walk through the step-by-step process of solving this inequality and expressing the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by isolating the variable term on one side of the inequality. The inequality we need to solve is -8x plus 5 is less than 21. First, subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality to remove the constant term from the left side. -8x plus 5 minus 5 is less than 21 minus 5. The expression on the left side simplifies to -8x, and the expression on the right side simplifies to 16. The new inequality is -8x is less than 16. By subtracting 5 from both sides, we have simplified the inequality, making it easier to isolate the variable in the next steps. This keeps the inequality balanced. Step 2. Next, we want to isolate the variable x completely. In our current inequality, we have -8x is less than 16. We need to get rid of the coefficient -8 that is attached to x. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by -8. Important: whenever we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality sign. This is a crucial step to correctly solve the inequality. Dividing both sides by -8, we have the left side as -8x divided by -8, and the right side as 16 divided by -8. The left side simplifies to x, and 16 divided by -8 simplifies to -2. Since we divided both sides by a negative number, the inequality sign reverses direction. The new inequality is now x is greater than -2. This step is the final step. We have now isolated the variable x and found the solution to the inequality. In inequality notation, the solution is x is greater than -2. In interval notation, this solution is written as open parenthesis, -2, infinity, close parenthesis. To summarize, by dividing both sides by -8, we isolated x and reversed the inequality, resulting in the solution x is greater than -2. This means that any number greater than -2 satisfies the original inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.